Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, October 17th, 2016, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we had another very dull and boring trading day. Uh, Markets just are kind of standing aside waiting for something to happen, and oh my God, there are a lot of things that could happen. If you want to skip sleep for tonight, I've been hearing about the possibility of armed conflict with Russia over the no-fly or proposed no-fly zone in Syria. I will leave it to your imagination to figure out just what an armed conflict with Russia would mean for this country and the world. Really terrible, and obviously we should do absolutely everything possible to avoid military conflict at this time with Russia or anybody else. It just things are really unsettled, and there's just so much uncertainty in our country and the world right now that this is really scary stuff. And I think that's why these stocks just, they don't know what they're doing. They go up and down and up and down. But anyway, it was kind of a dull day today. I called the Dow down. It did go down, settled down 52 points today. We had only one position coming in. Fortunately, that turned out to be good. That was LABD, which is our biotech bear. And we actually closed out that for positive $3,300. And then we only got into two new positions. I would have actually preferred that we just stayed out altogether, but we closed out with, drum roll, positive $15 on those two positions. And that's all that happened today. So it was, an extraordinarily dull day, but you always got to be careful about this, because something can happen that can really snap us out of this dullness, and we can suddenly have a very exciting up day or possibly a very exciting down day. I hope the former is what happens, but you just never know. Anyway, I'm going to call the Dow up for tomorrow. The market looks weak to me, but at the same time, we have been following this pattern of up one day, down the next, up one day, down the next. So I'm just, based on that pattern, I'm going to say tomorrow will be an up day in the Dow. I only have one stock to show you, but that was a good one. That was our single position that we held coming into today. This was in LABD, our biotech bear. We had bought this about midday yesterday here, and it popped up very nicely for our exit. We got out of there with over $3,300 in profits, and then it pulled back. So, this is actually a very nice trade. I wish we had maybe a half dozen of those today. That would have really made a nice day, but still, I'll take the $3,300 and be happy we didn't get into anything new today that looks particularly bad. Anyway, that's the way it went for this Monday. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Tuesday.